In this lesson, we're just going to review the basics of coordinates so everybody's comfortable before we start looking at straight line graphs. So this is a coordinate axis. You should know that the x-axis is horizontal and the y-axis is vertical. And we pick coordinate points. So let's, for example, look at this coordinate here. Now this coordinate has a position in the x-axis of 9. So that goes first, 9. And it has a coordinate on the y-axis, if we look at that, of 6. So this is the coordinate point 9, 6. Let's just see if we can get that understood correctly. So have a look at the grid in front of you. Let's see if we can identify some places. So this hexagon here, that is at the point 3, 1. If we look at the crescent there, that is at the point 8, 4. The smiley face has an x-coordinate of 3 and it has a y-coordinate of 3.5. So that's at 3.5. Now this coordinate axis is extended and could go in the negative direction, so it's actually more familiar to look at the picture in front of you. That's what we're going to be looking at in the next few lessons, making sure we know the negative coordinates as well as the positive ones. So of course, if this point here is 7, 3, then this point down here, well, that would be 7 still in the x direction, but at -4 in the y direction. And if we consider a point over here in this quadrant, well, that has an x-coordinate of -3, but it still has a height of 7, so the y-coordinate is still 7. In the bottom left corner, we have negative x and negative y, so a point, for example, such as this one, is at -6, -3. Okay, so let's have a quick think about that. So let's identify some points. So if we start off looking at U, well, U is at 6, 4. If we pick on this point here, K, now K is actually on the x-axis. It has an x-coordinate of -7, but its y-coordinate is 0, so that's at -7, 0. M has an x-coordinate of -6. It has a y-coordinate of -5, so that's -6, -5. And one more, if we pick on Q here, well, Q has a positive x-coordinate, but it has a negative y-coordinate. It's at 6, -2. That's all the information you need to be able to complete the next exercise. Good luck.